This review compiles insights from numerous users across the internet about the BestOffice Office Chair, Ergonomic Cheap Desk Chair, a mesh computer chair designed for lumbar support and modern executive use. The chair arrives with all necessary hardware and tools, and assembly is generally straightforward, taking users between 10 and 40 minutes depending on experience and assistance. The package is well organized and parts are individually wrapped, which contributes to a smooth unboxing experience. Many users found the assembly instructions clear, although some noted minor difficulties with screw hole alignment that required extra patience or an additional helping hand. The chair features an ergonomic design intended to provide full mobility, whether for gaming, office work, or meetings. Its breathable mesh back and high-density sponge cushion offer comfort and lumbar support, which many users have praised as a significant improvement for back pain relief. The chair's middle back design supports the lumbar area effectively, making it suitable for extended periods of sitting. The pneumatic height adjustment works well, allowing users to set the seat height to their ideal position, with a seat height around 21 inches and a seat depth of 18 inches. In terms of build quality, the chair uses metal legs rather than plastic, which enhances its sturdiness. It supports a maximum weight of 250 pounds and has passed commercial safety tests, providing confidence in its durability. However, some users express concerns about the chair's long-term sturdiness, suggesting it may last around 2 to 3 years with regular use. The seat cushion, while made of sponge, is considered by some to be thin, leading a few users to recommend adding an extra cushion for enhanced comfort. The chair's modern executive style and solid color options, such as the vibrant red, add aesthetic value to office spaces. It is compact, which some found smaller than expected, but this does not detract significantly from its usability. The chair's swivel and rolling features provide flexibility and ease of movement, suitable for various indoor office environments. Overall, the BestOffice Ergonomic Cheap Desk Chair offers a solid combination of comfort, ergonomic support, and affordability. It is especially appealing for those seeking a budget-friendly office chair that does not compromise on essential features like lumbar support and breathability. While it may not have the plush cushioning or ultra-durable build of higher-end models, it provides good value for its price point and meets the needs of many home office users and professionals working remotely. If you own this chair, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested. This chair is a practical choice for anyone looking to improve their workspace comfort without a significant investment.